Hi everyone, and welcome to another one of my no-bake dessert recipes. So it is officially mango season, so I have whipped up a mango and coconut Charlotte Russe cake. So for those of you who are not familiar with the Charlotte cake, it is also referred to as the icebox cake. It is said to be a tribute to Queen Charlotte of Britain. It is a classic French dessert that combines layers of delicate lady fingers, velvety mousse and fresh fruit. This cake is an epitome of elegance and is perfect for every occasion. So the Charlotte cake is commonly made with strawberries and raspberries, but I'm going to add mango and coconut to my cake. So all of the ingredients I use are listed in the description below. I started off by chopping up some mangoes. So the lady fingers are traditionally dipped in either water or milk, but I wanted to add some flavour, so I dipped mine in mango pulp. So just before doing that, I cut off the tips of the lady fingers just to make the edges straight. Now that I have coated all of the lady fingers in mango pulp, I'm going to arrange them in my baking tray. I wanted to add a slight crunch to my cake, so I added in some crushed shortbread fingers. And this part is optional, but I decided to add some crumbled Madeira cake. So the Madeira cake is crumbled and the shortbreads are crushed. I'm going to leave them aside for later. For the first layer of the cake, I'm going to add some double cream into a standing mixer and give that a good mix. So I whipped this until it was slightly thick, and then I added some mango pulp. So I mixed that in slightly, and then I added it as my first layer of my Charlotte cake. So I'm now going to go ahead and add in the crushed biscuits, the fresh mango, and also the crumbled Madeira cake. For the second creamy layer of this cake, I'm going to whip up some double cream and add some desiccated coconut. And when that's thick enough, I'm going to lay that on top of the cake like so. I'm now going to decorate this cake with some coconut truffles and some fresh mango. I'm going to leave this cake in the fridge overnight. So it is important to make this cake in a springform tin. I have now taken the cake out of the tin. And that's it guys, that's how I make this delicious mango and coconut no-bake Charlotte cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys, till next time.